Tonight on Top Coppers, in their biggest adventure yet, can Mahogany and Russ take on the Mafia itself in the Italian Knob?
So kids, it's very important to listen to policemen because we are here to protect you.
And we've got guns.
That's very true, we do also have guns.
Do you get bullied too?
No, son, we're not fat.
Get down! We got trouble. What took you so long?
Traffic.
That makes sense. Now, who's the kid?
Yeah, not sure. I think he got in the car with us.
Social will take him. This is serious, boys. It's the Mafia. Fat Twat Barattaglio's gone stolen the Pope.
He's what?
It's Pope theft, boys. That's right. Pope theft.
It was only a matter of time.
Now, you boys be careful, you hear? This ain't no lousy two-bit crim we're talking. These are the bigger boys. You got to be smooth, and it's got to be quick. Get in there, find them, save them.
Or shoot him.
No, Mick. Just save him.
We need info.
Information.
Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. Have you tried his house at all? Because he might be in today.
I think this is the place.
I could murder a pizza.
Yeah, or a cop.
Oh, God, that's good.
Pizza. Give us the Pope, Barattaglio.
No way, cop!
Why did you steal him anyway?
What?
Why would you steal the Pope?
I don't know, He's a bit preachy.
That is true. He is a bit preachy.
Well, I am the feckin' Pope. Shut up, the Pope!
Yeah, shut up, Pope. So you gonna give him back or what?
No. You got the gun? You got the gun? We fight you! I'm really sorry about this. I mean, it never usually happens.
Why has he got his ass out?
Vatican? What the hell are you doing at the Vatican? That the place with all them nuns and shit?
Chief, gotta go. Bike.
Don't you hang up on me.
Anything we can get you, gentlemen.
Yeah! Sex.